What's up, guys? Welcome to the 5150 Gringo Garage. And today, Pablo got a hold of me, wants me to change a radiator on his 2008 Silverado, but I don't know if I could do it. So I'm gonna call the Gringo Garage over there at 5150 Gringo Garage and see if maybe they could do it. So let's go ahead. I'm gonna pick up my phone, give the old Gringo a call, and see what he says. Hello, Gringo Garage, how can I help you? Hey, what's up, Gringo? Hey, my buddy Pablo, you know Pablo, he was just looking for someone to do a little radiator change on a 08 Silverado and was pretty much going to cut to the chase. He wants to pay you. He wants to buy you a 12-pack of Coors Light if you could get the job, have it done by the time he gets off work so he could, yeah, be ready to go. What do you think? Órale, yeah, tell Pablo, yeah, Simón, you bring it over, yeah, man, it's cool. It's a 2008 Chevrolet Silverado 4.8. Oh, easy, man, that's easy money. Yeah, man, I get that done in like, maybe 35 minutos, maybe un poquito más, I don't know, but, I mean, it should be pretty easy. Oh, yeah, man, I'm telling him, come on over, man, I love the Coors Light, man, I'm a Gringo. Man, we drink that Coors Light all day long. Okay, man. I seen a little bit, let's see. Oh, no problem, man. Órale pues. Órale, gracias. Awesome, man. Thanks, Gringo. Yeah, I'll send him over right now, man. He'll be happy to hear. All right, man. Have a good one. What's up, everybody? Welcome to the 5150 Gringo Garage, and today we're going to be changing the radiator on Pablo's 2008 Silverado. So let's go take a look at this thing. So here it is. We got the hood up. He got the chrome rims. So what's happening, I don't know if you can see, but it's a little wet down here, but it's leaking water all down the driver's side. And if you look, we got a hose over here, but there's no water on it. It's actually coming down, you know, from the bottom of the radiator. That's the only coolant line it could leak from. So we're gonna pull this radiator and see where it's leaking at. I'm guessing it's got a hole in the core or something like that, or on the side of it. So we're gonna clear this area up, pull this radiator out, and show you how to do it. Alright, so first thing I do is I'm gonna take all these little clips out. Just gonna use it. Go ahead and get got one right here, a little flathead screwdriver. You just go right in, kind of twist it there, pop them out just like that. And there's 8 of them. There's one here, here, and here. So we'll go ahead and we'll pull this off. And next thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pull the intake right here and the box off. So I got my Torx bit. That's gonna get the top of the intake right here. We got our flathead screwdriver, and we're gonna take off this clamp here. Alright, we're gonna unplug this one. Just like that. And this should just pop out. Just like that. It's just got some little nubs on the bottom that pop out. So this piece here just pops up. And right up on this side, there is another flathead. ahead and pull this part up, and then we'll slide it off. Now you can see we got a lot more room to get things done. Alright, so what I'm going to be doing, this is passenger side. We're going to be taking off this coolant line. We got a transmission line. We got another line for coolant. We go down a little farther. We got another transmission line and our bottom radiator hose, which is this one. We're going to take all those ones off, and we're going to take off this big upper radiator hose, okay? But first, I forgot, I need to put on these gloves. Get some pliers here. I'll tell you what. So this transmission line, it has this little cover on this one anyways. You pull that back. Well, we're gonna get ourselves a flathead screwdriver. All right. You see that? Now you can come in right here, grab that little clip, pop it out, and that pops right out. Right on the bottom here, there's a little bolt. Looks like about 10 millimeter. So before I get the bottom lines off, it would probably be a lot easier if I took the fans off, which looks like it's probably just these two. There's a bolt over here and a bolt over here. They're both 13 millimeter. And then you got to unplug it, but these trucks are so easy just to get underneath here. You can see the plug. Right here, we just unplug it. Let me see this one right here. You just push it and pull that sucker off. You got a 13 millimeter. Right here you got one more bolt right at the bottom on the transmission line before this fan will come out. Should be able to slide this hole sucker out just like that. As you can see, we got all the lines disconnected. You can see our bucket worked real good catching the water. So go ahead, take off this bolt here, and right over here we got one more, and this radiator should be able to come forward and up. Alright, so I got the radiator out. As you can see, I don't know if you can see, but I filled it with water. This is the side it was leaking on. But if you look down, you can see it's dripping. So we'll go ahead and open our new box here. and match it up to the old radiator and put it in. So here we have it. We got our same holes here. We got our same holes here. We got our tab. We got our other transmission line. We got our other one here. Mounting holes. Same here. Looks good to me. Let's install it. Alright, so this radiator, if you remember, it has the little pins. You don't have to get that close, but it's got the little pins that pop in for the transmission line. This radiator up here is just the screw-in style, but it does come with the adapters. They already have thread locker on it, so all you got to do is stick them in, okay, before we install it. These little rubber boots should go right into those holes down there. Just like that. So it'd probably be better to take this fan out right here. First thing after you take the intake off, just to make getting all the lines off a little easier. I didn't have too hard of a time, but we're gonna put all the lines on first before we put the fan back on. Alright, so got our transmission lines on. They're a little tedious getting them on, so take your time. Put these covers back on. Yeah, well, now we're going to hook up our bottom radiator hose. Got our bottom hose on. We're going to get this bad boy. Plugging my fans back in. We got the old Prestone concentrate, so we're gonna mix these with half sterile water and half coolant. Alright guys, so we're gonna be mixing this up. Just making sure my funnel's clean.
Alright.
So I'm just gonna pour half of this in here.
Aren't they the same thing?
Okay, no. So this is full strength. It's the concentrate, so you have to mix it with half water. So now we're going to fill both of these up with some water.
Let me get on my stool so I could actually... You're missing some drops.
That's all right.
It's almost full already.
Let's see what sucks it down. Alright, so we've had it running for, well, alright, so we've had it running, I don't know, about 5-10 minutes. Just watching the water here, you see little bubbles here and there getting the air out. Let's go check our temperatura. But let's turn on the heater too. We want to turn on the heater all the way up. So our temperature's coming up. Let's see if our fans kick on. getting down there, bubbles up. Alright, so it's been about another 10-15 minutes. It started bubbling a bunch. You can see it sucked that water all the way down. We have to add a little more. So yeah, grab our little 50-50 mix. Pour it in, look at that. Temperature still right where it was at 210. I asked Pablo what's the normal temp it runs at, and he said 210. So I mean, we're running at normal temps right now. So yeah, I think we're gonna wrap this up. We gotta put our little engine cover shroud front thingy majiggy on. Easy job. Thanks everybody for watching this episode of the 5150 Gringo Garage. Check it out. So, whenever the Gringo got paid for his labor in beer, it was true. It was actually a true story. Check it out. I just changed a radiator for a 12-pack of Coors Light. And I got my bottle of Tahoe to pour right in there and sip on it tonight. So thanks everybody for watching this video. Like it if you haven't, subscribe if you haven't. I also want to take the time to thank every single one of you who support this channel, support the Gringo. Thank you to the Latinos who think the Gringo's cool wearing the sombrero. Don't get offended by it because the Gringo really likes the Latinas. Don't tell my wife. But yeah, so anyways, you guys out there, thank you so much for the support, the likes, the views, and I will see you guys on the next video.